This aircraft actually belongs to the Experimental Aircraft Association. We're a non-profit aviation organization based out of Oshkosh, Wisconsin. And we operate it as a living history exhibit, and we tour the United States, the whole country. This is a B-17G. They made more than 12,000 of these for the World War II effort. It was used mainly in daylight bombing raids over Germany from England and Italy. Not this exact airplane, but this particular type of airplane.
The respect for the aircraft really is unique when it is moving. When it's just sitting in a museum under lights, you can talk about the history of it. But when you see it moving and you get the opportunity to ride in it, that part is the part that's truly unique.
Well, I feel like honored and privileged to be able to do it. And we all are volunteers out here. And the other part is, every time I'm out here doing this, I think about what it must have been like to be 17 or 18 and being shot at in this thing. It had to be scary.
Up until today, the only thing I've ever done is read about the B-17 and the many stories that go with it. And to be able to fly today is just, you can't even put it into words.
I've never flown in a B-17 and I wanted to experience that. It was quite a job for kids that were 18 and 19. It was a tremendous responsibility.
Our official mission is to promote aviation, but the other mission is we want to tell the story of the greatest generation that in World War II that give us all the freedoms we have today by sacrificing not only the air crews and the sacrifices they made, but the people at home. Young women, young teenagers, they built these airplanes. And so that generation now is all in their mid-90s. They're leaving us. When that generation's gone, there's nobody else left to tell the story. So we feel it's important to keep that story alive.